In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack app in 60 seconds. We'll walk through creating a brand new app, giving it the right permissions, and installing it to your workspace so it's ready for development or automation. First, open your browser and head to the Slack API site at api.slack.com, then go to the Your Apps page. It helps to be signed into the correct Slack account in this browser so the workspace picker later is smooth and accurate. Click Create New App. When Slack asks how you want to get started, choose from scratch. Give your app a clear, descriptive name that teammates will recognize. Don't stress if it's not perfect. You can change the display name later. Next, select the Slack workspace where this app will live. This determines where it can be installed right now. Make sure you have permission to install apps in that workspace. If you don't, a workspace admin may need to approve it. Once your app shell is created, look at the left sidebar and open OAuth and permissions. This page is the heart of what your app is allowed to do. You're going to work with bot token scopes, which control your app's bot behavior. For most automations, the bot token is what you'll use in your code to talk to Slack. Scroll to bot token scopes and add the following permissions. Add chat write, so your bot can send messages to channels and DMs. Add channels read to let the app see basic info about public channels, which helps it know where to post or listen. Add groups, read for similar visibility in private channels the app is a member of. And add app mentions. Read so your app can read messages where it's explicitly mentioned, enabling basic mention and respond patterns. As a best practice, only request scopes you truly need. You can always return here and adjust later. Now scroll back to the top of the OAuth and permissions page and click Install to Workspace. Slack will show you the list of scopes you requested, review them, and click Allow. This authorizes the app in your chosen workspace and issues a bot token you'll use from your server or workflow. If you change scopes in the future, remember to come back and reinstall so the new permissions take effect. That's it. You've created a Slack app from scratch, assigned essential bot scopes, and installed it to your workspace. From here, you can connect your code, store your tokens securely in environment variables, and start building features like posting updates or responding to mentions. Keep your credentials safe, follow least privilege, and you'll have a reliable foundation for any Slack integration you create.